What is in the letter A, Kong?
Describing. Notice the different ways we talk about meat.
Okay,
Meals.
so meals. All right, so we are going to notice the different ways we talk about meals. Okay, so here in the first box or column is describing what I eat. Okay,
Okay.
and in this box also or column, you are going to talk about or talking about eating habits. Okay,
Okay.
so here are the foods. Okay, here is the way you eat, or often, or sometimes, or whatsoever. Okay, so
Okay.
please read the describing what I eat.
I prefer a small breakfast. I try to have a healthy breakfast. I try
Okay.
not to eat a lot of meat. I don't like to snack between meals. Uh, I'm having a light, heavy lunch.
Okay, how about describing what I eat? Did you read this?
Um, yes.
Okay. All right. So, first one is I will read this and you are going to answer. Okay.
Okay.
All right. I usually have eggs and toast for breakfast. What is your eating habits?
Uh, what?
What I like.
I like
Okay.
sweet bread.
I will read here. I will read here, and you will read the answer. Okay.
Okay.
All right. I usually have eggs and toast for breakfast. I like. You will answer. I like.
I like um
What do you like for breakfast? Is it a
I
heavy breakfast or
I like noodles for breakfast.
okay? All right. So I love noodles for lunch. How about you?
Yes.
You like also noodles for breakfast?
Yes.
Okay. I like to have a vegetable for lunch. How about you? Do you eat
I like
vegetables?
I like rice for lunch.
Okay. So, do you like to have snacks between meals?
And um yes.
Okay. All right. So, do you understand this language booster?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, this time we are going to listen to a pronunciation. For a regular noun, plural endings, s, z, is. Okay?
Okay.
Listen and practice. Notice the different plural endings or endings. Okay?
Okay.
Are you ready to listen?
Yes.
Page 67. Pronunciation. A. Listen and practice. Notice the different plural endings.
grapes, lemons, peaches,
Again.
Page
Grapes.
67. Pronunciation. A. Listen and practice. Notice the different plural endings.
grapes,
Grapes.
Grapes.
lemons,
Lemons.
Lemon.
peaches,
Okay. So first is grapes, lemons, peaches. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so this time you are going to give another words, three words below grapes or and sounds or ending this. Okay? Grapes,
Um, books.
books. Okay, very good. How about the next word?
Laptops.
Laptop. Next.
Um,
Oh, no. I will. Okay, in letter B, here's the words. Complete the chart by grouping the words under its correct plural ending, okay? So you will
okay.
choose here. All right, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 3 by 3, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we will answer first the below grapes, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you will choose words
Uh,
from here.
Juice is
Says,
uh, juice in the second.
okay. Juices is here, lemons.
Yes.
Okay. Next,
Beans is in lemons.
okay, what is next? Beans,
Uh, is is lemons.
lemons. What
Yes.
is the word?
Beans.
Beans. Okay, next.
Nuts. Nuts in grapes.
What?
Uh,
Nuts in grape.
yes. Mm, orange in lemons.
Next.
Um, noodles in lemon.
Only three. Only three.
What?
Uh, below grapes, only three words. Below lemons, only three words. And peaches also. Juice,
Uh,
beans, oranges. Okay, so that are all answers for, that's your answer for lemons. Next is for grapes.
grape
You
is
answered
chips.
nuts.
A
What?
nut. Chips.
Chips.
Carrots.
Carrots. Okay, let's go to peaches.
Is sandwich.
Okay, sandwiches again.
Sandwiches.
Okay, sandwiches. Next,
Uh,
lemons, oranges, beans, carrots, chips. Okay, what is the next word?
It's only that.
Are you sure?
Yes.
There are more words. Nuts, chips, and then you answer carrots, sandwiches. Okay, so you don't have to answer the rest of the words.
Yes.
Is that all?
Yes.
Okay, let's check your answers. For grapes, you answered. What is the first word?
Nuts.
Below grapes, nuts. Next,
Chips.
next.
Carrots.
Okay, below lemons,
Juice.
juices. Again, juices.
Juices.
Next, beans.
Beans.
Next, oranges.
Oranges.
Yeah, and your answer for peaches is only sandwiches. Okay, there are more, okay? Vegetables. Vegetables and noodles. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have only 7 out of 9. Okay, that's good. All right, I will give you a clap. Yay, good job, Kong. So do you understand the regular noun plural endings? Do you
Yes.
understand the pronunciation? Okay. So this time, okay, before we listen to an audio, what can you see in the picture? What can you see in the picture?
I can see a meal.
Okay, a meal. And what are they? What is this?
They are cereal.
Okay, cereal and what juice is this?
Uh, Orange juice.
Okay, an orange juice. All right, so letter C. Listen and check your answers. Then practice saying the words. Pay attention to the plural endings. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so I will play the audio 31.
Page 67. Pronunciation. C. Listen and check your answers. Then practice saying the words. Pay attention to the plural endings.
grapes, nuts, chips, carrot,
Okay, Kong, so we already done checking, okay?
Okay.
So this is a group work. Discuss these questions and ask follow-up questions. So the first question for you is, do you eat a big breakfast?
Um. No.
Okay, so what are the foods you like to eat for breakfast?
I like to eat noodles.
Okay, next, what do you usually have for lunch?
I usually have um rice and meat.
Okay. So you like to eat lunch. For lunch, you like to eat rice and meat. Next question. Do you prefer an early or a late dinner? Why? What do you prefer? An early dinner or late dinner?
Early dinner.
Okay, so there is a follow-up question. Why? Why do you like or why do you prefer an early dinner?
Because I can take a shower and study my homework.
Okay, very good. Very good answer. Next. Oh, wait. What are the what are the foods you eat for your dinner?
Um,
Okay, today, what is your dinner?
I eat um,
Eat what?
rice and meat.
Okay. All right, next question. What are your least favorite healthy foods? So what are the foods that you eat sometimes that eat that is a healthy food?
I think it's um,
You eat vegetables or
no.
you eat that sometimes?
And
What
um,
what vegetable that you like to eat? Only one.
I don't like vegetables.
Like vegetables. Okay. Next, last question. What snacks do you like the most? Are they healthy?
Mm, I like I like
Do
um
you like a pizza?
yes.
Do you eat that most or do you like them that most?
I like fries um fried chicken. The chicken fries.
Okay, you like a fried chicken. Do you think fried chicken is a healthy food?
No.
Okay, so you need to eat fried chicken seldom, okay? So don't eat
Okay.
um always, alright? Okay, next is do you understand this lesson here? Our lesson? Okay, so next is our new lesson is all about asking about food and describing about food. Okay. How does it taste? Hello.
Um. Yes.
Okay, I will ask you, okay?
Okay.
All right. An ice cream. What is the flavor of ice cream that you like the most?
I like chocolate ice cream.
You like to eat a chocolate ice cream. How does it taste? does it taste? Is it good? Is it bad? Is it tasty? Is it sugary?
It's
Or it,
it's delicious.
okay. It is delicious. Very good. Now, we're going to discuss all about the about food and how you're going to describe the food. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, vocabulary. In letter A, these adjectives describe how food tastes. Write at least one dish next to each adjective. Okay, example. There is an example. Chocolate is sweet. So you will answer here chocolate. Okay?
Okay.
I hope you understand.
Yes.
Okay. So chocolate is already given. So you might find another answer. Okay.
Mm,
Okay. First is sweet.
um. 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 Candy.
Okay, very good. Candy. Next.
Salty. Um. Snacks. Snacks.
Okay, salty is
Snacks.
what?
Snacks.
Please spell it.
Um. Oh, chips. Chips.
Oh, chips. Okay, sour.
Um. What?
Sour. Do you understand the word sour?
No.
Okay, I will go to translate. Sour.
Top.
Oh, sour.
To. Chua.
Okay, do you
Ah.
understand that?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay,
Lemon.
what's
Lemon.
lemon? Okay, ciao. Akong, we have no more time, so we will continue our lesson on the next day, okay? So see you again next time. Good night. Bye-bye.
Good
Thank
night.
you. Good night.